Hi, I'm Mark Brownstein, the leader of the team at Emerald Medicare. Our team is always looking for ways to make your Medicare experience better and more efficient. That's why we've partnered with RxCare, a secure AI-powered platform that helps you review your drug coverage, compare costs, and manage important Medicare forms, all in one place. With RxCare, you can quickly update your information, medications, and provider details. You can quickly complete required Medicare forms in minutes. You can securely connect your Medicare.gov account for real-time drug cost comparisons. Lastly, you can streamline the open enrollment process to ensure you're on the best plan. Each year, during this open enrollment period, our team works day and night, handling an overwhelming number of review requests and phone calls from clients, navigating their Medicare options for the new year. RxCare is designed to make this process more efficient for both of us, allowing us to help more people while still maintaining the high level of personalized guidance you expect. By using this platform, you're helping us help you, ensuring we can provide the best guidance efficiently and effectively. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how RxCare makes Medicare reviews easier, keeps your information secure, and dramatically improves our ability to service our valued Medicare clients. We'll also walk you through the 4 easy steps to enroll and opt into RxCare, providing clear step-by-step instructions along the way. I'm so excited for you to join us in our journey into this next phase of Emerald Medicare and the Medicare industry as a whole. Step 1, completing the scope of appointment. Before we can discuss your Medicare options, federal rules require a scope of appointment form. This form protects you as a beneficiary and ensures compliance with federal regulation. Here's how to complete it. First, check your email. The form will come from RxCare, not Emerald Medicare. If you don't see it, make sure you check your spam folder. Next, open the email and click the red button labeled Complete Scope of Appointment Form. Once the web page loads, you'll then move on to the next step, which is filling in your details. First, you'll check the boxes in the areas you'd like us to support you in. Next, you'll enter your name, full address, and phone number, and confirm that you are the authorized representative to act on your behalf. And then, all we have to do is sign and submit. Confirm your information, type in your name to virtually sign, and click submit. That's it. Your scope of appointment is now completed and filed securely. Step 2, completing the permission to contact form. Now that we have a scope of appointment form saved to your profile, the next step is giving consent for Emerald Medicare to contact you about your Medicare Part D options and potential savings opportunities using RxCare. Look for RxCare email titled Aiden Rx Consent Form. Click the red button titled Consent to Contact to access this secure form. Select your preferred communication method. Enter your name and acknowledge this consent is voluntary and can be withdrawn at any time. Enter your name and date, click Submit, and you're done. By completing this step, we can notify you about cost savings opportunities and plan updates throughout the year automatically. Step 3, Connecting RxCare to Medicare.gov. RxCare connects directly to Medicare.gov using a feature called Blue Button, which securely imports your last 12 months of prescription drug claims from CMS, the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. This means two things. You no longer need to manually list your medications. RxCare initiates this import for you and then notifies our Emerald Medicare support team to call you and confirm that this information is up to date. Also, it allows for faster and more accurate plan comparisons. Here's how you can connect your Medicare.gov account to RxCare. Find the email from RxCare titled Connect to MyMedicare.gov to share your prescriptions. Check spam if needed, because this is not coming from Emerald Medicare. Click the red button to log into Medicare.gov. This takes you to Medicare's official national website, a tool we have used for many years at Emerald Medicare and is the most reliable source of detailed information. Sign in using your existing account details. If you've never logged in before, follow the steps to create an account. You will then authorize the connection, allowing RxCare to securely retrieve your prescription data. This step ensures we have up-to-date information to find the best Part D prescription drug plan for you. Step 4. Using your personalized RxCare link. Once connected, you'll receive a secure link to your personalized RxCare profile. This allows you to securely review and manage your Medicare Part D review all in one place. Using this PURL, you can review and update your personal details and/or your Medicare plan information as needed, review and update medications, doctors, and pharmacies as they change, review and update your income and public assistance status to look for further savings, ensure your plan is always the best fit for you. So here's how to complete the last step of opting into RxCare using this personalized PURL. Find the email from RxCare titled RxCare Update Your Information. Click the red button titled Update Your Information, which will take you to your personalized RxCare page. Enter the verification code found directly above the red button. For your privacy and safety, this code is active for 30 minutes only. Once you enter the verification code, you can now view and verify your details and make any necessary updates. This ensures we have the most accurate information to support you year-round. All of this information is key in evaluating your coverage and making sure you're on the best fit Medicare plan for your unique needs. After clicking Next, you will confirm your current Medicare plan. If it is not correct, you can correct it here. If this plan is correct, click Next. Next, you can confirm the pharmacy or pharmacies that we have on file for you. If one of your preferred pharmacies is not listed, you can type it into the search box. Look for the pharmacy, which searches within your zip code that you enter, and add it to your profile. This pharmacy will now be included in our yearly coverage review for you. After you check your pharmacies, you'll confirm your medication information. Let's say you notice that 2 medications are correct, but you have a newly prescribed medication from your doctor. Simply search for the drug name and select it from the drop-down menu and adjust the quantity and the frequency. After clicking Add, it is now in our system and will be included on your cost and coverage comparisons. Lastly, you'll confirm and check your doctors. If we do not have any of your regular doctors on file, you can search for the provider and then add them to your list. You'll also have the options of setting this as your primary provider, which will let us know that this is your primary doctor. Some insurance carriers actually require this information when sending in your application. After clicking Next, you'll confirm your Medicaid status, extra help, and any other assistance you may receive for your Medicare coverage. Then you'll confirm your income and asset information, which is quite important for looking into, again, Part B, assistance, and extra help for prescription drug cost savings. Clicking Finish will bring you to the end of the PURL, which will confirm your information has been updated successfully. If you have any further questions or need assistance, simply click on Talk to Agent. That button will reveal my contact information for our Emerald Medicare office. At Emerald Medicare, we're committed to making your Medicare experience simple, secure, and cost-effective. RxCare empowers you to stay on top of your coverage with ease. By enrolling, you are taking an important step towards not just engaging in this cutting-edge technology, but being able to continuously find the best coverage for your needs. If you have any questions or need assistance getting started, our team is here to help every step of the way. On behalf of all of us here at Emerald Medicare, thank you so much for taking the time to learn about our groundbreaking efforts with RxCare. We believe that this platform has the potential to change the Medicare service industry for the better. Please share this with your friends and family who may benefit. We look forward to working with you on this important initiative.